Hi, Aaron English here in Nashville. I'm looking forward to flying out to Oregon to come play for you at services next Sunday, April 13th. Hope to see you there. And after services on Sunday, I'll be playing at Unity again, a concert. 12:30 to 2 p.m. Be there if you can. I'm realizing it's been 4 years since I've played at Unity, since I've seen you all in person. That's kind of crazy. I remember I played a concert after services. It was the first one we'd had in person since the beginning of the pandemic, so everybody was really jazzed. A lot of us were still wearing masks, and we were all giddy with excitement to have this social entertainment event in person, in the flesh. Had a wonderful time. 4 years. Amazing. Too long. Happy to be back next Sunday. Hope to see you there.